Hey gym owners, this is Kirk Roldan from Majimbu Gym Marketing Agency, and in this video I'm going to share with you the most common reasons why your website is not getting clicks, phone calls, and visibility from Google, and people are not finding you online. Even though you have a really fancy website like this, you have a really nice content, images, or even a physical location, but it's still nothing if you miss these really important steps that you can do for your website. Without further ado, let's start. So I have these tools that I'm using here. So one tool is this Screaming Frog. I have a pro account here. You can also try the free version of Screaming Frog, and then it's very simple, no? Just add your website URL here and then click start, and then you can now see all your pages here. So you need to wait for that to crawl 100%, and then you can see here all the pages from your website. You can see the URL, description, length of the description. So you can see here the page titles. You can see here all your URLs. You can see here the descriptions that you use. The headline one, see that one? You can see headline 1, headline 2, content, images, canonical, pagination. Everything that you want to see on the website, you can see here for SEO purposes. And this is very important that you need to understand and know this, because like if you don't know your pages and what's going on there, it's, for me, you are unaware of what's going on from your website. Now you cannot just go here and then, yeah, you can do it like simply opening all these pages and then manually. You can also use this Chrome extension, by the way, to check every single page from your website, but you need to do it manually. So it's time consuming. You need to copy and paste everything. It will also slow your productivity because there's a lot of things that you need to do. But if you have this kind of tool, then you already know what's going on inside and you can verify it. It's very easy. Like export this and then you can have it Google Drive or folder and then send that to your staff. It's very simple to use, and yeah, you already know the problem of your website. The description, you need to make sure that your URL is optimized properly with the keywords, with the page title, and also add the keyword in the page title, rather add the keyword into the description, call to action, add the keyword inside the heading 1. You can also add heading 2, heading 3, your images, you added image, alt text, canonical. Everything here is optimized properly for the keywords that you want to target. You have your sitemap here, and this is very important so you are not blind. After that, you already know what's the problem of your website, then that's the time you need to properly optimize that. Now, I also use a different tool here. It's called Ahrefs. So this is more costly because it's a monthly subscription. I just added go to project and then add the website, and then here you can wait for this to crawl, and then once it's done, you can see all of this issue. Go to majimbu.com if you want to see exactly where your gym stands right now, what's working, what's not, and where your biggest local opportunity is. We offer a free 10-minute local visibility audit, then show you how our gym authority growth system can turn that into predictable new membership every month. So these are the issues why your website has a limited visibility online, because you have this. So again, same thing, different tools, different result, but a lot of them are the same. Like for example, this one, headline 1 tags, they are empty, so there's no headline 1. Okay, that's true because they didn't do any SEO. We can confirm here that there's no heading 1, so it's missing, meaning since it's missing, you need to do that. No, you need to add heading 1. You also need to add image, alt text. You also need to have meta description. You need to fix all these issues right here, and also orphan page. You have pages no follow outgoing, lowered count, missing alt text. Every issues here, you need to fix that. It's very important. So if you followed what I mentioned in this video, I'm sure you can also generate more traffic. Not only that, because I also like this feature from Ahrefs. Like, let's audit this again. I go to Site Explorer. By the way, I'm not promoting them. I'm just showing you what you can do to improve your website visibility. Like right now, they have 118 organic traffic. And then here, you can see what are the pages that mostly ranking. And then you can see here the keywords that they are ranking. Like they have 19. These are the pages. These are the position. Like this one, they are number 1 because that is their brand branded keyword, and then gym in Miami, position 2, and so on and so forth. Then I can also see what are the backlinks are. So here I can see and understand. Let's say for example this one, Yellow Pages is good for them. So if you are the competitor of this website and then you are a gym owner, you need to add your business to Yellow Pages. True local. Oh, this is good. Like you can also, oh, it's not available anymore. But I just copy and duplicate what are my competitors are doing online. Like if they have links coming to this, I'm also going to outreach that website and have our links there. And then remove this spam backlinks. It's causing us issue. So I want you guys to remove this above all these links because it's not helpful for us and it can ruin the visibility of our website. Okay. You need to have links coming from gym industry, fitness industry that has a good domain rating, that has a traffic. There's no spam history in the past. Good referring domain. You can see traffic like it's growing and growing, not just up and then zero after all. So that's how I do it. And by the way, guys, if you are interested for me to help you fix the problem that I saw earlier in the audit, just go here on majimbu.com, get started, click free growth plan, and then let's schedule a call. And maybe there's a great fit and I will help you improve your website visibility. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video.